We've got thumbs up and drivers behind lines in 3, 2, 1, go!
And it's station number 9 in our eliminations here on Consumers Energy Foundation Field.
Right by the ladder. All right. Shoot. Ready? 5, 4, 3, 2. You got it. Shoot it over. Pass it over. Pass it over. Yeah, go around them. Go for the. Yeah. Go for those ones. Go those. Yeah. Push down. Yeah, 15 seconds. Go. Go away from the ball. From the ball. Yeah. 10 seconds. 10 seconds. Right side. 1, 4, 3. Bring it in. Go. Shoot. Good. Shoot. No, right side. There's so many right side. There's still. We're all about it. Nice. Shoot. Don't get it.